Hello my friends and welcome back to David Media. In the last video, we have done the user authentication both in frontend and backend. And in this video today, we will implement a feature to search for a user. We're gonna build the Graphql query in the API and then implement an autocomplete search component in the frontend. Okay, let's get started. Let's open the schema file in the server folder and modify the user's query. We can include the first name as input for this query. That would be the type will be string, and the return type will be an array of user. Then let's open the user resolver file and modify this query. The user's query, we are gonna check the authentication here. So let's put user. If there is no user, we are not throw the error. Authentication error. Please sign. Let's create a filter variable, and we're gonna be structuring the arguments. So if arguments dot first name, we can override the filter first name. We're gonna put the regular expression. Argument dot first name, and let's put options, which is I, so that we can ignore the case sensitive. And then we have user, which is the result. Away user file, and we put the filter here, and then return users, and then we have cache error and throw the error. Okay, pretty much for the backend. It will be PRR. Okay, let's save it, and then we go to the user file in the Graphql folder, and we're gonna create a new query. So export const get users. We're gonna put the users fields backend, and then we have query. First name will be string, and we have users should be GQL. Then we put the first name variable here. And the return will be user fields. Next, let's open the user.js file in the slide folder. In the initial state, we have a new state for user list and it will be no from the beginning. Then let's add another reducer set user list. We have state and action. And then we have the user list in the state would be action and payload. And let's export const select user list. And now let's save the file and then we open user action. Let's import get user's query. So in here we're gonna define the get user query. We have opening, pending, get users, and we use lazy query. And put the get users query here. And next we're gonna define the get user list action. That would be an async function. So we're taking a value and then we have the response. Await get user query. The variable be value. If response data dot users, we're gonna dispatch the action set user list response dot data dot users. And then we're gonna return get user list action. Let's also return pending get users. We also import select user list from the slide user. And we're gonna define the user list from use selector. Select user list and then we're gonna return the user list. Okay, that's pretty much for the Redux. And next, let's create a new file in the component folder. Let's select user. We're gonna create the Autocomplete search user component. This component will receive some properties. And let's bring on change event from props. Then let's import select component from user and also import user from Redux actions, user actions. And then let's bring get user list and user list from user can use users. And then let's define the options. This would be user list map item, and we're gonna return value would be item dot id, and the label would be item first name and item last name. And in the return section, let's use select, and we're gonna bring on the properties. And the option would be the options on check. We handle search, and we will define later. We have show, check, and allow clear. On change event would be handle change. We will define later also. Then we have option filter props would be children. And filter option that will take in input and option. We have option dot label the string to lowercase, and then index of input to lowercase, greater than or equal to 0. And let's define handle search function. We'll take in value, and we will guess the user list. The variable is the first name is value, and this is handle change event. Also taking the parameter is value. If value, we will call on change event. That's pretty much for the select user component. And then let's open the home page. We're gonna import select user from component, select user, and we also import row space column from Nodejs. And in the return section, we will have row vector would be 15 and 5. Then we have column span is A. And then we have space direction would be vertical. The size is middle. And the style the display is flex, and we're gonna put the select user component here. So we have some properties. The style would be, we have width 100%. The class name with shadow SN, and the placeholder is search for user, and then we have on change is handle select user, and let's define the handle select user function. And we're gonna console out this value. Okay, let's open the terminal and run npm run dev. It's probably from the server. And let's open the user resolver. This function would be an async function. And now let's log in again. And we log in successfully. So let's search for some user. David Lee, Mercy Lee, yeah. Okay, and we have done the select user component. So this component will be reusable for other feature, like when we create a new conversation, a new group conversation, we can select the multiple user, and we can reuse this component in that feature. Okay, so in the next video we will move to the conversation model. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.